In this tutorial, I will be showcasing the basics of Tyflow. So Tyflow is an add-on for 3ds Max. So once you open 3ds Max, go to the standard primitives tab, and at the bottom right row you will see Tyflow. Drag and pull outwards to create the Tyflow. So when you go here onto the modify tab, you'll see the open editor window. Click open the window, and this is the window editor for Tyflow. So in the modifier panel, you can see there's a bunch of different tabs, such as birth operators, spawn operators, delete operators, standard operators, and so on. The first row has them all. We drag across the mouse. So first of all, I'm going to right click on the window, go to preset flows and get simple object flow. Click. So with this, if I minimize the window, you can see that it's created a simulation of as you can see, it's created a simulation of an explosion kind of. So if I pull the animation bar, you'll see the boxes going outwards from a central point. So over here you can change some of the modifiers. So the location, the speed of the boxes, the direction. So instead of being random, I can change it to a horizontal. So random horizontal. Right now it's on the random 3D. So if I change this and drag, it's on a horizontal plane. If I change it back to 3D, it will be randomized. So with the different events, you can click the light bulb at the right corner to hide it, or to hide or unhide. So if I want to make a new one now, a second Tyflow operation, I'll go right click again, go to preset flows and go simple physics flow. I'll hide this one, and with this creates a fountain of boxes, and once they hit the ground, the boxes hit each other. So again, once you click on these tabs, you can change or modify so if I want to change the shape, I can do so here. I can make them spheres or pyramids. So I'll change them to a sphere, and if I change this, you can see these are now spheres instead of boxes, and the simulation is also working differently because of the changed shape. You can change to a pyramid. So there's a number of different shapes you can change to. So over here I imported in a kettle or a teapot. So if I want to use this object as my node, as my shape mesh, I'll select this and this, but this seems fairly large, so change it to 100 because it was at 500%. And if I go to my animation tab, you'll now see that the objects are now teapots. So these are just some more of the modifiers. So just changing how the physics of the boxes fall. This is the mesh, so that the Tyflow is able to render, and then this is just the geometry. So this is the basics of Tyflow.